Hello friends, is your car struggling with performance, showing a check engine light or failing emissions tests? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0425, then listen carefully. This code is related to the heated catalyst sensor, which plays a critical role in monitoring your catalytic converter's efficiency. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor fuel economy, higher emissions, and even engine damage over time. In this video, I'll explain what P0425 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0425? The P0425 error code stands for Heated Catalyst Sensor Malfunction, Bank 1. Many modern vehicles have a heated catalytic converter system which helps reduce emissions faster. The heated catalyst sensor monitors the temperature of the catalytic converter and ensures it's working efficiently. The ECU checks this sensor's readings to maintain the correct operating temperature. If it detects an issue with the sensor, it triggers P0425. Common symptoms of P0425 include the check engine light being on poor fuel efficiency, rough engine idle, or hesitation, strange exhaust smells like rotten eggs or excessive fuel odor, and a failed emissions test. If you notice any of these symptoms, let's locate the key components responsible for this issue. The heated catalyst sensor and related components can typically be found in these locations. The heated catalytic converter, which is located in the exhaust system between the exhaust manifold and muffler, the heated catalyst temperature sensor, mounted directly on or near the catalytic converter to measure temperature. The upstream oxygen sensor, found before the catalytic converter, typically in the exhaust manifold or downpipe, the downstream oxygen sensor, located after the catalytic converter to monitor its efficiency, and the wiring and fuses for the heated catalyst sensor, usually located in the engine bay fuse box or near the catalytic converter wiring harness. Tip sensor locations may vary depending on your car's make and model. Check your service manual for precise details. Let's take a look at the common causes of the P0425 error code. First, a faulty heated catalyst sensor. If the sensor is damaged, faulty, or disconnected, it won't provide accurate temperature readings. Second, bad oxygen sensors. If upstream or downstream O2 sensors fail, they can send incorrect data to the ECU. Third, wiring or connector issues. Corroded connectors, broken wires, or loose connections can cause faulty readings. Fourth, a faulty catalytic converter. If the catalytic converter is clogged, overheated, or damaged, it can affect the sensor's performance. Lastly, a blown fuse or relay. A faulty fuse or relay can interrupt power to the heated catalyst sensor, triggering the P0425 error code. Now let's go over the steps to fix the P0425 error code. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0425 code and check for any additional codes. Second, locate the heated catalyst sensor and inspect the wiring for damage or corrosion. Third, test the heated catalyst sensor using a multimeter. Replace it if it's faulty. Fourth, check the oxygen sensors, both upstream and downstream, for slow response or contamination. Fifth, inspect the fuses and relays connected to the heated catalyst system. Replace them if necessary. Finally, clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive your vehicle. The P0425 error code can cause engine performance issues, higher fuel consumption, and even emissions test failure. If you see this code, make sure to inspect the heated catalyst sensor, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converter for any faults. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0132, Oxygen Sensor Circuit High Voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 1, and P0133, O2 Sensor Circuit Slow Response, Bank 1 Sensor 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.